Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to bypass chat filter on Roblox. Chat filters work by detecting specific keywords and phrases that violate community guidelines. They use algorithms to identify patterns and prevent harmful language. These often include profanity, hate speech, or other offensive language. Familiarizing yourself with what's commonly censored will help you understand what might need bypassing. You can replace letters with numbers or similar-looking symbols. For example, E can be replaced with 3, and A can become 4. Now, add a special character between letters. For example, instead of typing bad word with letters, you might type bad word including a hashtag or a @ symbol. For example, you are amazing with symbols. Since chat filters are regularly updated, it's crucial to test different combinations of characters and symbols. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.